Today it is 90 degrees. I just got off of work. I am squidding it today. I have no gear except for my pants. My pants are armored, so I have gear in the sense that I have pants, gloves, and a helmet. 90 degrees, it's hot. I don't want to catch a stroke, so I'm not going to. Simple as that. Still gonna enjoy the day and try not to die. That's the name of the game every day, really. Go for a little ride down the beach. This week is a content week for me. I've exhausted all my footage, so this is a filler episode of sorts. Look at that old boy. The trike. I want to ride a trike on the channel one time. Someday, we'll see. Someday. Oof, it's hot. Bike's hot. The sun is hot. The ground is hot. Everything is just hot. It's all hot. I guess it'd be a nice beach day. It's a nice riding day when you don't got gear on, let me tell you. We're approaching 5,000 miles on the bike. We're at 49.79. I got some tires coming in because around 5,000 miles is when they recommend some tires. From what I found out recently, actually today, is that front tires will outlast at least 2 to 3 back tires. So I got back tires coming in instead of front tires. And that's just it. So they said like every 3 back tire replacements, you'll do a front. So that's good news. These tires have lasted about 5,000 miles. They're getting pretty bald. So we'll say around 10,000. Maybe we'll start thinking about getting some fronts to match some backs. I've also ordered some tires for Brandon's R1. Those will be in next week. They're like 300 bucks. The tires for this one are like 280. It's really not that bad, to be honest. They lasted quite a bit. I ride quite a bit. And they're necessary to stay on the road. I think I'm due for an oil change around 6,000 to 7,000 miles. I'm about to hit 5, so that'll be a thing soon as well. I think we'll have to do a chain adjustment. Maybe check the valve clearance as well. And you know, I've actually never lubed the chain on this bike, so maybe that'll be a thing as well, because apparently you're supposed to lube the chain every 500 miles. I'm well over that. I haven't, you know, I haven't even thought of it. maybe I should do that. I don't know. Let me know how this helmet sounds. From inside the helmet, it doesn't sound too bad, actually. For my last video on this helmet, which was the first video that I made with content in this helmet, there was some whistling coming from the helmet. I think it'll come back. I didn't really figure out what that problem was, so we'll see. But until then, I'm just gonna ride and see. Maybe it'll come back, maybe it won't. I just recently hit 120 subscribers on my channel. This is like a big thing, honestly. Will this Harley boy say what's up? Yes, sir, brother. I'm super happy that this has happened. I can't wait till we get up in the numbers. You know, we get up 500 subs, 1,000 subs. See how far it gets. That'd be so awesome. Actually grow a platform and have actual people, you know, as part of it. Just gonna be out here. Oh, it's because you're handicapped. Here we go again with the handicapped people in this area. I swear, over 65 needs to get retested, alright? That's how we should do this. Or we should get retested anyway. Some people just don't know how to drive, and all we have for a driving test is like, oh yeah, just park here, drive here for 30 feet. Like, well, what is that? You know, in different countries, it costs thousands of dollars to get a license, and you have to take tests that are super rigorous, like actual skid pad tests where they make you do a spin out test and a correction test. We don't do any of that here. We got giant trucks. That's a funny thing, actually. We have so many Cybertrucks on the road that are like so capable of going so fast, and honestly, I don't think they're as capable as stopping as they are going. And I can only imagine one of these old people, 60, 70-year-old people, in a parking lot, a shopping parking lot, mashing the throttle into 12 different cars and maybe some people. It's like, it's allowed. That's allowed. Why are we giving 1,000 horsepower to the elderly? Why is that? Why are we giving 1,000 horsepower to anybody? There's a lot of people that are not allowed or not able to correctly drive a car with that much power. But because they have the money, they're just allowed? I feel like there needs to be a test. I feel like we need some type of training. If you buy a Hellcat, if you buy a Tesla Plaid, if you buy a Lamborghini this or that or Ferrari, whatever, I feel like you need to have some type of specialized training course to be able to drive a vehicle like that. It's good that we have some type of tests for truck drivers, but even that, yes, a truck is thousands of pounds, and they carry however many more thousands of pounds. Good, we have testing for that. But why can old lady Gertrude pick up a Plaid and have 1,000 horsepower at the bottom of her little old wrinkly foot? Why is that a thing? Why is that allowed? It's maybe a little rant, I don't know. But it's honestly, I feel like it's a good question. But then there's also the other question: why are you letting, why are you letting people go and buy motorcycles? But then we have tests as well. You can take a test for a bike, but some people don't. A lot of people are allowed to go buy a motorcycle that's capable of 200 miles an hour. My bike is not, but it is capable of a lot of speed. I could go, however many illegal speeds it takes. And all I had to do is go into a dealer and be like, yep, I want that one in white. That's it. You do a credit check or you pay in cash, and that's it. You're on the road doing however many illegal speed. I'm just saying, vehicles are funny. I'm just saying, there's really no mandate to it. I have my motorcycle license, and I have lots of experience with vehicles that are very powerful. I still think this way. I still think that an 80-year-old man shouldn't be buying a Tesla Plaid, because I've seen it before. We've had people buy a Plaid from us, or a Model X P100, and they have taken out 6 to 8 cars in a parking lot. I've seen it. I've seen someone buy a Plaid and then a month later total it out in a friggin' head-to-head versus a pole. I've seen that as well. And what did he do? He bought another Plaid. Why? I think my rant is done for the day. I just think it's funny that all these vehicles have so much power and they're being given to whoever wants them. I honestly feel pretty cool inside this helmet. Not like, I feel like a cool person. Like I'm saying, it's not 100 degrees in this helmet like it is outside the helmet. It's actually pretty nice. There's a bike behind me. Crazy. He pulled up. They boxing in the street like that. Yo. Imagine. We just go over there and start slapboxing some children. That's crazy. Slapboxing in the street. That is so funny. That's crazy. This is gonna be a good video. Line up. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Wait, what's this?
It's two. Just hold
Ah. Ready? Go. Yo! Let's go! Chase is a race. Chase is a race. Oh my god. Don't hurt yourself. No hezzy. Huh? This is the kind of content you guys tune in for. I'm pretty sure. Is that an M3? What the heck? Oh, it's an M4. Wow. Nice car. Oh, thread the needle. Ooh. Yeah. That's the best way to tour a place. How do you turn it off?